Hey, what's up everybody? It's Tiffany and we are going to make some vegan herb garlic bread. It is so good. So for today's recipe, what you will need is a glass bowl, some vegan butter, some garlic powder, a garlic clove, fresh basil, some bread, add some Parmesan, make sure that it is vegan. So here we have our chopped garlic. I wound up using 2 cloves of garlic there. We also have our fresh basil. I'm gonna add the basil. We're gonna take our butter. We're gonna add our butter to this mixture here. Sprinkle a little garlic powder. I'm gonna add just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. I'm just gonna mix this up really well. So this is what we have. Pretty much a blob of butter with basil. Now I'm going to take my bread, which I've already cut on, about 1 inch apart, so I'm going to cut it. Nice thick piece. I'm going to put it. Look at that. We'll take our brush with a little grapeseed oil and we're just gonna do like this over top of it. Now flip. We're gonna do the same thing.
So we're gonna cook on 350 degrees in the oven for 10 minutes and flip halfway through.
Yes, sir.
Alright, that's it. Please be sure to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe. When you subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. Enjoy!